Oh, he's £5. Well, are you £5? Stop crying. That's power plant. Ready? Some more my flashing, Johnny. That's power plant. Flaps all the way down.
No, you're going into Russia. Yeah, in Russia.
Hey, got some pride.
We are in Russia, in Germany.
Apa look here? Is where we're landing here. Look, landing.
Why are you gonna
Ready? 5, 3, 2. Around the place so
why do you always put your pants on errors?
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you home to East Midlands, where the local time here is just approaching 20 past 8. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and all your hand baggage stored until the aircraft is parked and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before leaving us, please ensure that you have all your personal items with you. Have a good look in the overhead lockers in the area around your seat, but please do take care when opening the overhead lockers in case items have moved during today's flight. We'd like to advise all of our passengers that smoking is not permitted anywhere inside the terminal building, and nor is it permitted on your journey to the terminal itself. Mobile telephones may be switched on once the aircraft doors have been opened. The aircraft will be met by Menzies, who will take you into the terminal building. You'll also find their personnel within the baggage reclaim area should you require any further assistance. Book a holiday or city break with our toll protected Jet2 holidays for just £60 deposit per person. From free kids places on summer 2013 family holidays to 5-star luxury hotels as part of our Indulgent Escapes collection. Visit jet2holidays.com for more details. If you haven't already joined our great loyalty scheme MyJet2, then visit our website and join today to start collecting points for free flights. Finally, on behalf of us all at jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, may we thank you for flying with us today. We do hope that you've enjoyed your flight and your trip away, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board soon. Until next time, thank you and a very good evening to you all.
Joe, that's the one we're going to Lanzarote on.
Please, it's got a very
I am not going to. This is my room making up the lads, okay?
Oh, no.
It was doing it to show up because I knew to. Okay?
He's a murderer!
I was embarrassing me. It's saying,
I need a poop sauce!
Sam reached the road and everything.
He's very lovely!
This is lies, this is all lies. Apart from the landing. The landing was very good. It's good.
It was very good when I
Would you like to take a fried chicken, sir?
This is a puma. He loves chili. It is fun.
Kayo, get up. Stupid boy. Why you say this? Bob. No, wrong sound. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay.